The next experiment is two-way and three-way control of lamps. This is the circuit diagram for two-way control. This is the circuit diagram for two-way control. And this is the circuit diagram for three-way control of lamp, wherein you will be using three switches. In two-way control, you are using two switches. In three-way control, you are using three switches, including the intermediate switch. Right? So this is the equipment or apparatus what we will be using for two-way and three-way control. First, I will tell you the circuit connections. Supply is, see, this is the switch S1 or SW1, right? So the supply is connected to this one. Next, it is connected to switch 2, right? Next, switch 2 is connected to the load or bulb. Next, this bulb is connected to neutral back to neutral. Okay, in this way the circuit is completed. Okay, here you are using two switches in two-way control, SW1 and SW2, to control the lamp, right? So in practical applications, these two switches can be at different places. Like one of the switch can be in the first floor and other switch can be in the second floor. Okay, the same lamp can be controlled from two different positions. In long corridors, if you want to control the lamp, you cannot come back, and every time you cannot come back and switch on or switch off the lamp. Okay, if you have a different positions, it will be easy to operate this load, to control this load, right? So for this is SW1. Okay, this is in A position. I will switch on the supply. Right? When this is in A position, and you can see here the different positions of the switches S1 and S2. First AC, next AD, next BD, next BC. Okay? So first is AC. S1 is A and S2 is C. Okay? So the lamp is on. Okay? What happens? When this is connected here, so the current will flow from here to here, P to A. Next it will flow from A to C. Next C to P. Okay, P to lamp back to neutral. So therefore the circuit is closed. Here the circuit is closed, therefore the bulb is on. Okay, this is the first condition. Next condition is AD. So this is A, switch S1 is A. S2 is D. Okay. Now here what happens? P to A connectivity is there. A to C connectivity is there. Next from C to P it is open. This gets open. Therefore current cannot flow here. Current cannot flow here. Here it is open. Therefore the bulb is in the off state or off position. Next coming to next BD. S1 is B. Next this is D. Here what happens? P to B connectivity is there, B to D, next D to P connectivity is there because this switch is in D position. Here connectivity is there. This is closed, whereas this dotted line is closed, this dark line is open. Okay, this is closed. There is a path here, continuity here. From here to bulb or load, it comes back to supply. Therefore, for B and D position, for S1 in B and S2 in D, the bulb is on. Next is B and C. So this is B and this is C. Now what happens? So P to A connectivity is there, A to C connectivity is there. Next, P to A connectivity is not there. P to B it is there. P to A connectivity is not there. Therefore it is open. Okay, current will not flow. Therefore the bulb is in the off state. Okay, so this is the two-way control. For different positions of the two switches S1 and S2, you have to note down the state of the lamp, whether it is on or off, and also you have to trace the path where the circuit is getting open. Okay, where the circuit is getting open. This is about the two-way control. Next we will go for three-way control. So next is three-way control. This is the circuit diagram. In addition to the two switches, you are having an additional switch, intermediate switch. Okay, you can control the state of the lamp using three switches: S1, S2, S1, S2, and an intermediate switch. Okay, this is called three-way control. So you can, I will tell you the connections. First, supply is connected to P. Next, this is the switch S1. Next, A to E. So here you are having intermediate switch. F2C you have to make connections. Here you are having S2 or SW2. From here to bulb or load. Okay, this comes back to supply. Okay, so for different positions of the three switches, S1, intermediate switch, and S2 or SW2, you have to find the status of the lamp. Okay, whether it is on or off. Okay, and if it is off, you have to trace where the circuit is getting open. Right? If it is on means there is a path for the current to flow through the bulb. Okay, the circuit is closed. That is the meaning. So you switch on first. So first you see the positions here from the tabular column. It is given in the manual. First it is A, C, E, F, G, H. Okay. See, this intermediate switch can be operated in two positions. Position 1 and position 2. Position 1, it is called straight connection. Okay, straight connection, that is EF, GH. Okay, it is connections will be straight. Okay, position 1 is straight connection. Position 2 is cross connection. Position 2 is cross connection. Okay, so EH and GF, these are the cross connections. Right? So this is position 1. Now switch S1 is A, right? Switch S1 is A. Next, intermediate switch, straight connection, that is 1. 1 means EFGH. EFGH. Next, S2 or SW2 is C. Okay? If these are the states, the bulb is on. Okay? If you trace what happens here, so there is connection from P to A to E connection is there. E to F switch is closed, therefore you have connection. F to C connection is there. Again from C to P, because the switch is closed here, connectivity is there. From this to lamp back to supply. Therefore the bulb is on. Similarly, I will show you one more position, A, D. Now here what happens? Here connectivity is there, here connectivity is there, here connectivity is there, here connectivity is there, here the circuit is open. Okay, P to C, the circuit is open. Okay, therefore the lamp is off. Next is BD. Okay, BD. Now what happens here? P to B connectivity is there, B to G. Okay, G to H connectivity is there because it is straight connection. H to D connection is there. Next, D to P, because the switch is in D position, here connectivity is there. Therefore, the bulb is in the on. Bulb is on. Next, BC. Okay, BC. Okay, P to B, B to G. G to H, H to D, here it is open. Therefore, here the switch is open. Okay, current cannot flow here. Therefore, bulb is off. Okay, this is for the straight connection of the intermediate switch. Next, what you have to do? Next, you have to operate in two position, that is cross connection. Okay, cross connection is shown by the cross lines. Okay, cross connection will be EH and GF. These are the two cross connections. Okay, so first BC. Okay, so what happens? P to B, B to G, so it will not go straight here. So G to F, F to C. C to P connectivity is there, therefore bulb is on. Okay, next BD. Okay, so P to B connectivity is there, B to G, G to F, F to C. Next C to P connection is not there because the switch is in the D position. Okay, here circuit is open, therefore bulb is off. Next AD. Okay, so P to A to E, next E to H, H to D. Okay, D to P, D to P, it is connectivity is there because switch is in D position. Okay, so P to lamp to supply, therefore the bulb is on. Next AC. Okay, what happens? P to A connectivity is there, A to C, next C to P, one second, P to A to E, E to H, H to D, and here switch is in C position, right? So this is open, D position is open, therefore bulb is off. So this is called the three-way control of lamp, wherein you are controlling the lamp or load using two switches and one more intermediate switch. Okay, this is about this experiment.